everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Evergreen Arts and Crafts. In today's video tutorial, as you can see, I'm making a unboxing video of Brother FS155 computerized sewing machine, which has 100 built-in stitches and 55 character stitches. Along with this, a quick set bobbin, which is a drop-in bobbin. And then this machine have a built-in needle threader, which is automatically needle threading process. This machine, my husband bought it from Amazon AED from Dubai. This machine is designed by Japan and made by Vietnam. It's quite light-weighted, not too heavy-weighted machine. This machine also have a instructional manual DVD manual also inside of this. This is the fully sideway box, front way, and the back side of the box. And there are also some written stuff right there at the back as well. Now let's open the box from the top. Obviously, this is actually just a unboxing video, so you can see how they pack this machine and how do they deliver this machine. Later on, I'm going to make a new video as well, how can you operate this machine as well. So when you open this machine, right from the top, you will see a styrofoam packaging in which the machine is, and outside there are some accessories available, which are the, of course, power cord. And there is a one power cord right here. Then there are the bag of these goodies, which have the spool spinner, spool pin, vertical spool pin, of course, and the brush and the stitches opener. Then we have this foot pedal here, and there is another power cord which is available for power. Like in my country, we have 220 to 250 voltage power here. So this machine contains two different power cords in it. And there is a instruction manual right here, which have two different ones, one in English and one in Arabic. And now we are going to take this out. There is a dust cover for this machine as well. This machine does not contain a hard cover, which was quite upsetting part for me, because I think they should include a hard cover as well for the machine. But it's really nicely and well packed. There are the tapes also on the side as well. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give a thumbs up if you like this unboxing video. So here is the machine when you take this off from the styrofoam case. This is what the machine will look like. And I'm going to run this machine in next video as well, so you can see how can you operate this machine. This machine is actually super easy if you have used any of the previous computerized machines. And there you can see there is written a voltage, that on what voltage this machine will work, and this machine is for 220 to 250 volts. So we are removing the plastic film right here. You cannot hear the sound of the paper because I'm giving a voiceover. I really like the colors on the machine, really pastel purple, a really amazing white color, a little bit of pink circles, and the dark purple circles as well. So I can show you right from here where are all the 55 initials written. It has the ABCD plus the numbers, and there are a 99 different types of stitches plus the button holder, different designs of those as well. There are the two different options you can switch. I'm going to explain this later on when I'm going to start this machine. Plus a really nice LED along with a speed controller, needle down, reverse button, and the start and stop one. Here you can see there is a cardboard piece right here, and my husband is telling me to tell you guys what is this for. This part is actually quite a delicate part of the machine. So when you travel like out of the country, make sure you put a cardboard piece right here, attach this to your machine so it will be easy for you to travel, and this thing will not damage your machine at all. There are some tape pieces as well. I'm going to remove those and make a new video on that. So this is it. I hope you have enjoyed today's video tutorial, and I hope you like the machine. And in my next episode, in my next video, I'm going to tell you how this machine works. So this is it. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.